So let's go our range. So orange. Okay. So orange, that's going to be our range. Because I don't want it to be range, because range is actually a function, which I might actually be able to use, but I'm not exactly sure how it works. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to show you guys. So now what we're going to do is say, okay, hold on, let me think. I'm slow in the head. I haven't done Python programming for a while, so just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I actually have developed this in Visual Basic lately for programming. I know, ew, Visual Basic, we need open source scripting. I get it, guys. I don't like Visual Basic either, but it's really good for GUI stuff. I'll give it that. Okay, so our range, Actually did script this. I do want to look it up. I'm tempted. How many units? So, what we're gonna do? Oh, okay. Yeah. So, if HMU, or no, not HMU, input is greater than output, then, which is a colon, then what we're going to do is we're going to take the range, which would be the greater, which was input, minus output, and then the range is going to equal that. So we made it orange, and orange is going to equal that. Alright, so then we're going to say else if output greater than input, colon, orange is equal to output minus input. Yay, now we have our range developed. Okay, so else print you suck at programming. So I'll probably obviously say this because I probably screwed up somewhere, but we'll find out when we're debugging. Which you always have to do, right? Okay, so now that we have our range developed, all we gotta do is say print, and then our string, which is gonna be 10 times, well, we're gonna use the caret. 10 to the, and then we're going to concatenate that with our orange value. And also, you have to use the backticks to denote that this is going to be a string now and not an integer. So we put those on, and since we have this part, this is just saying 10 to the what? We also have to say times and then units. So now let's concatenate that with the units. Is that what I called it? No, how many units? My bad. Okay, so HMU. So this looks promising. I've also made some other stuff, so like round for you and do all the crazy stuff. But for this, I'm not gonna do metric.py, and I'm gonna save it to the desktop. Since we're in Linux, we don't have the pleasure of double clicking on it. We can make a bash script, but what the hell. Alright, so just navigate to it. If you don't know, cd is change directory, ls is list, which you guys probably know. So now to execute that file, all we have to do is type in Python and then metric.py. Just press tab to autocomplete if you don't know that. Now you do. How many units do we want? We want 100. And we want to convert from mega. Ooh, what did I get wrong? Okay, biometric.py. What do you want to convert from? Input. File string line 1. M is not defined. Huh. I think what I did is I have to say that put these before our input values, because it's going, where the hell is this crap? Because it's not just doing it like as a raw thing, it's actually using something that's already established. So I hope I'm right. Let's do it again. I'm going to press up and enter, and then we're going to go 100, and then we're going to go from M to milli, and then I screwed up again. Oh, because right here I need to make that milli rather than M. I think I've done this in the past, and the thing is, it doesn't know about capitalization, so I screwed up again. Yay, guys. Okay. Let's go 100, and then convert from M to milli, and then we have 10 times, 100 times 10 to the 9th. Okay, now let's do it again. 100, and then let's go from milli to mega, and then, oh, what I forgot to do, guys, is, I still have the range, but what I need to do is I need to say, if it is this way, I need to print, this, and then orange is gonna be negative. So I can either do that by just changing this to negative. Let's see if that works. Or I could do it on my other thing of logic. Also, what I want to do here is I'm going to put colons and then spaces so I can tell kind of where the input's supposed to go. Because I don't just want to confuse our user that much. Look, it's like right next to each other. 2 milli. It's like, really? What? Assign an operator. Oh, my bad. Okay, we can't do that. Damn, guys. What was I thinking? Okay, so now we're just going to make 2 different print statements. We're going to say, print this, because this is right the one way, but the other way it's not right. So we're going to cut this out, put it in here. Don't forget to tab, because it's a hierarchical structure. And then we're going to put this also in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say minus. I'm not sure if this will work. If it doesn't work, I'll just say concatenate a negative string. So that's all I need to do. Okay, so how many units? 100. Let's go from milli to mega, because that's the part that didn't work. It says -9, which is what we want. And then 100 to from mega to milli. And then it says 9. So it's working fine. It's a good thing. I should check out nil. Let's see if nil works. 100 nil to D 1. So nil works too. Sometimes nil actually means nothing in programming. So in this, it doesn't show up as anything. It's just a variable. And I think in Python they use nothing. And I'll see if they do by color code. Nothing. Nope. There's something. Maybe it's just not. I don't know. They use pass and stuff like that. Okay, so that's how you make a metric converter in Python. It's pretty simple. I hope this tutorial helps you out, and I hope your science teacher doesn't think you're cheating or a crazed lunatic. Peace out.